Hey everybody, today we're looking at an issue in the laundry here where I want to hang a tumble dryer on this wall. We had a tumble dryer back in Cockatoo and we've transported it here to Bairnsdale, but we don't have the template anymore for the fixing of it on the wall, and also we want to have it at a certain height. So I've got two issues. One is I want to make it end up with flush with the bottom of these other cupboards. And the other issue is that I want to fix it to the wall in the position that I want it to be, not where the brackets, if they were fixed to studs, would make it be, because the studs do not line up with the position that I want. So therefore I've got to put something on the wall that will hold the brackets in place, which in turn will hold the tumble dryer in place and exactly where I want it to be. So the right height and the right position. How am I going to do that? Let's find out. Here is the tumble dryer as it will sit on the wall, and as you can see all the dials are now going to be on the bottom because it's upside down. So anyway, we're interested in what goes on at the back here, because we've got to make these brackets that they supply work in these positions. For all we know, there could be one stud here, there could be a stud out here, so we've got to make that, put a piece of timber on the wall that will allow these brackets to sit in these positions but be firmly held by the bit of timber that's attached to the wall, and also we've got to work out the height. So the first thing is to work out the height. Simply measure, sit the bracket in position. Different tumble dryers will have different brackets, by the way. Some of them will have individual brackets, some will have one piece that goes right across, and there may be other ways that they are held in place as well. They're the two I'm familiar with. These ones were after the measurement of the top of the bracket to the other end of the machine. So in this case, got to hold the bracket nice and square, and we're looking at 820 millimeters from the top to the bottom. Not the top of the machine, top of the bracket, because that's got to fit on to the bit of timber. I'm going to use 90 by 35 pine to go across, and the bracket itself is 80 millimeters, so there's a 5 mil overhang on each side. So the bit of timber, that's 820, I've got to go 825 to the top of the timber. And then I know that when that bracket is in position, the bottom of that will be exactly 820 mil below the top of the bracket. And so on the wall, that 825 I measure from the bottom of that position, which in my case is the position of the tiles on the wall. I go up the 825 mil and it'll be sitting just above that bracket. Then it's a matter of finding out sideways where those studs are. So we want the position from the top of the tiles, the bottom of the cupboards, up to the top of the timber, and that will be 825. Then we level that across. That line will be out of sight. You can always check your level, how good it is, by switching it around to go the other way. And you can check your position and check how good your level is by doing that. That's perfect. Next up, we want to find the position of the studs. If you have a stud finder, you can use that. Otherwise, you've got to use the old method, which I actually prefer, hammer and a nail. The holes will be behind the bit of timber, all out of sight, so I'm not too worried about the few number of holes that will end up being in the wall. First of all, though, we've got to tap to find out where they are. There's one right there, so right in the middle, smack in the middle, is completely in the wrong place if I was only trying to use those brackets, so I have to use the timber. So that is the middle of the stud, where the screw will end up going. Just mark that. So if it's right in the middle, we're roughly 18 inches, 450 mil, one side or the other. In this case, because the stud's in the middle, I am going to have to go to the stud on each side to supply myself with a good fixing point for that bit of timber. So I'm going to end up with 3 fixing points, not 2. So in this case I have to put a bit of timber on the wall that's nearly twice the width of the actual tumble dryer. That's where it's going to go, so I just transfer the point of where the studs are onto that timber. 2 screws in each hole. I'll go and pre-drill that and get it all ready, and I'll be right back with some bugle batten screws. I'll temporarily fix one hole, but then I'll drill through the existing holes that I've just done to drill out the holes in the studs, and then take that one out and redo the whole lot. And making sure that the position on the piece of timber is keeping the edge of the tumble dryer in line with the edge of the washing machine. Now it's a matter of transferring the points of where the brackets will engage with the tumble dryer. In this case it's 510 millimeters. Determine the position of the bracket, mark the screw holes, and then from that bracket mark the other bracket out. Pre-drill pilot holes for the brackets and screw the brackets in place. Time has come to lift the machine in place, and as you can see I've got a helping hand. Jenny's here to help because it'd be very difficult to do it on my own. So let's see what happens. Check those 2 things. We've got the right height, flush with the bottom of the cupboards, and that it stays there without falling off. Heck, that would be disastrous if that happened, but I'm sure that's not going to happen. The interesting bit will be to see how level it is with the bottom of the cupboards. See what happens. There you go. This one is. Yep, this one. Hang on.
Yeah, well,
now you notice that the machine is not, the front is not parallel the distance away from the wall. So because I've added 35mm at the top, I also have to add 35mm at the bottom, which is what this block is all about. Parallel, straight, level with the bottom of the other cupboards. It's all looking really good. Are you happy, Jenny?
yes, I'm happy.
There you go, guys. That's how you do it when you've got brackets that you've lost the template for, and you also have studs that are in or don't line up with where you want them to be. See you again very soon, everybody.